What's up and good morning, everyone. Well, Bandit and I are getting ready to take a little ride. That's right, we're going for a ride. We're going to go get some solar panels, and we're going to Signature Solar. They're about 3 hours north of me, so about 160 something miles. And I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you the round trip function on the Garmin Tread. So we'll jump right into it and get on the road. All right, so here's my Garmin, and here is what is called the round trip function. You click on this little feller here, and it's going to say starting location, and I'm going to say Livingston, Texas, where, well, we'll go back. We'll go all the way to my address. We'll just put my address in there. I already got it. So, put my address in there, and select. All right, now we're going to say tributes, distance, duration, or destination. We're going to destination because I know where I'm going. And we're going to come up here and click on that one. And Signature Solar is already loaded on here, and bam, put that on there. Road type, we're going to do paved. No playing around today, just go in there and back, calculate. And I got it on number 1 for the least adventurous. Here we go. It says 462 miles round trip. Go.
Please drive to highlighted route. Please drive to highlighted route.
And it does that annoying thing, and there you go. Now we're all set to do a round trip run. Pretty simple.